Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In this I'm going to the FPS drop test in the Realme GT2 device. Right now as you can see, this is a Realme GT2 device with the Snapdragon 888 processor which I'm trying to use in this video exactly. And here's a quick FPS drop test exactly in the Pochinki map. So I'm trying to use the settings with the smooth and extreme settings toward this time. So only using smooth and extremes I'm going to perform this kind of testing, friends, exactly. So FPS did drop up to 46 FPS as well right now. During this processor demonstration, 46 is the lowest value which we did see exactly right now in this device. And even I'll try to do the multiple times FPS drop test in the Pochinki, and right now the lowest is 46. Again we did see the lowest 46. So let me know in the comment section below what other videos you want me to upload on this Realme GT2 device. But overall, these are the quick FPS drop test. I'll let you do the FPS drop test one more time as well. So here's a quick drop test in the Pochinki map using the Realme GT2 device. Not Neo, but normal GT2. So right now you can see the FPS drop to 51. The FPS drop up to 51, 52. So 52 is the value which we got right now exactly. 52 in this device. 56. So here's a quick FPS drop test again in the Pochinki map. Let's see this time what will be the overall FPS can be maintained in this device exactly. So right now we're getting about 59 FPS, 58 and 59. You can clearly see, friends, the FPS count how much it's maintaining. 59, 57, 56, 51 is the lowest value, 51. So far, friends, I did see about 51 is the lowest value I have seen in this device, in the Realme GT2 device. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off. This is a quick FPS drop test in the Realme GT2 device in the Pochinki map exactly. So let me definitely do the upload the video on the bootcamp as well. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested on the bootcamp. Meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates. And right now FPS dropped to 45 FPS as well just now. While running, just now it dropped 45. Until then, signing off and bye.